It's Vlogmas. I'm a little late. You do your voicemail when you're sick and raspy. Say, hey, this is John. Leave a message. That was a sweaty one. There are just some days that I don't feel like doing my makeup. I feel like it's just like not going on right. And like my hair I feel like is gonna be so difficult today. But my advice to you in those situations, because I'm sure you have those times too, is that to just do what you normally do that looks good. Just like keep going. Just do it and finish it. And at the end of the day, you'll look fine. Maybe it's just because there's something wrong with you today. Like I think I'm just like extra tired today. And I got good sleep last night. I'm just like tired. So I'm just going through the motions. I know how I do my makeup every day because I have the urge to do something different. Don't change it up. Do what you normally do because that's gonna look good. Don't do or try anything new on days where you feel like it's just not looking right. Do what you normally do. That's my advice. Oh, and fun fact right now, I've been doing a year of glitter since January. I'm almost done with a year of glitter. I cannot believe it. I've been putting glitter on my eyes every single day for a year. Granted, the days I don't wear makeup, which there are some, I don't follow that rule. I'm not that crazy. But any day that I did do makeup, I had to add glitter of some kind somewhere. So just so you know, fun fact, that this NYX primer, which I've cut open yesterday, lasts almost a year if you're using it almost every single day. Pretty crazy, right? Just thought that was a fun little fact. It almost made it a whole year, but not quite. I had to move to this little tiny tube that I have, like it's a little extra guy that I got with like the 3-tiered stacks of glitter that I've gotten at like TJ Maxx and stuff. It comes with this little guy. So luckily I have this lying around, and this will definitely let me make it through the year of glitter. And also, I know I said don't try anything new when you're feeling kind of like in a funk, but I'm not trying anything new, but I am doing a different color of glitter that I just got the other day because I thought maybe that would make me feel better. It's called Dubai Bronze. So let's play with it. And it's not new. I put glitter on my eyes like this every day. It's just the color is different. Everything else is exactly the same. I'm not changing it up. Oh, this is really pretty. I like this a lot. Ooh, this might be the new color I'm obsessed with. I don't know how. Somehow I've managed to pull my hair together just like a little bit. It's 2-day-old hair right now. I brushed it, teased it, and then I just went through the last pieces, the bottom pieces, with a flat iron. So that's just gonna do for today. But also on a side note, when I was talking about just like do what you normally do when you're just like not feeling yourself, another reason you want to do that is because say you're just like not feeling well either. If you don't get ready and you don't do your hair and makeup, other people are definitely going to see that you're not feeling well, you know, especially when you have to go out into the world. If you're just staying home and no one's going to see you, like who cares? But if you have to see people, like at least the outer you will look good and maybe the inner you doesn't feel so great, but it'll make you feel better to hear someone say, oh, I like your eyeshadow today, rather than, ooh, are you feeling okay? You don't look that good, you know? So if you don't go the little extra mile, even if you don't feel like doing it, like you'll end up feeling worse throughout the day than better. At least like if you get your exterior together, which is what you normally do. Like I said, don't do anything you don't normally do. If you don't wear a lot of makeup, don't wear a lot of makeup. But if you're like me, who wears like fake eyelashes every day, I'm gonna put my fake eyelashes on if I'm not feeling quite right, because otherwise people are gonna be like, oh, what is wrong with you today? So I feel like I pulled it together. I need to just add some lip color and I'll be good to go. But also, this goes for days too when like sometimes I have to wake up super early in the morning to like get to a wedding venue and do hair and makeup and stuff. Like I'm talking I get up at 5 in the morning to start makeup by 7 or 6:30 even. And I always feel like in the morning, your face needs time to like settle and relax. You wash your face, you just let it do its thing. But when I have to wake up that early, I'm giving myself a short amount of time to get ready. And so I just have to put makeup on. And sometimes I feel like, oh man, my face just doesn't look right now. And it ends up being okay. Everything falls into place if you do what you normally do. So I hope that made sense and is helpful in some way, but that's what I do. It makes sense to me. So I'm hoping it makes sense to you. So right now we are baking some potatoes because we're gonna have some steak tonight. We cooked it in the oven. Now that's gonna sear it. Flippy flippy. Well, that steak was absolutely delicious. And potatoes, yum yum. But now it's time to watch my guilty pleasure right now, which is the holiday version of Nailed It. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so bad, it's good. See you tomorrow.
This is what you were trying to make. Let's see what you did. Nailed it! Nailed it!
Oh, she didn't do too bad. I mean, it kind of looks like it. I did good, girl. You gonna watch Nailed It too?
Tastes good. It looks great.
All right. She was digging for a ball. I was like, what is she doing? Well, nailed it.